Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel, Dancehall lovers. We need to talk about Deva Bratt new song him drop, name William Tell, and the song was aim to Vybz Kartel and Blak Ryno. So let's get into it.
Me want know, ask them, what make them a try deny the rival? See it say them shakey to Deva Arrival. That black but somebody give it a bridle. The rifle a wave like tidal.
So Deva Bratt in the intro say yo, with them, meaning Katel and Blak Ryno, why them a try deny the rival? In other words, him a say yo, them fraid for respond to him. Deva say yo, him see it say them shakey to the Deva Arrival. Me nah lie, Deva Bratt make a return to the music scene wicked. The man released about 100 songs in a 30 days to rhatid.
Somebody have to die when the hammer fly, mother cry, butterfly. In panimatic modify, a butterfly matter yai. What am I king, killer not a spy? Who them a try to classify? Me bust it in the face, me no bust it in the sky. Pressure man a apply, so sing a lullaby. Them a fish, sakai, no guy can track I. You a real bad people, behave like I.
Me no understand how Blak Ryno say yo, Deva Bratt flow all you know, because this flow sound unique and modern to a creative artist like Deva Bratt.
And move, but if you make puzzle up the shoes, that my girl like say them bad, and me no say them a fool. Broad day like in a not terrific cool. Pull up with the double Glock, done anything we move.
So Deva say yo, them a gwaan like say them bad, and me know say them a fool. You remember when Ryno said this?
Like pick one dog. You can't be both, bro. Like you gotta be a 2-in-1 shampoo dog. You can't be both, bro. You have to make up your mind, gunman. That nobody now fuck with that informing something. So I guess I gotta just drop some banger and show you say, nigga, you know it, nigga, you never been on my level.
Ryno say yo, Deva is a Grapa and a Informa, and him call that 2-in-1 shampoo.
Shot in a head and in a shoulder to win one shampoo. And no goes when the crucial crew a shampoo. The money and the riches and the bitches brand new. Bad mind off it head.
But Deva flip it round and say yo, that in a them head and in a them shoulder, call that 2-in-1 shampoo.
One gunshot a ring like Chinese bell. As it vanish like magic, don't try this spell. The belly must swell by time it smell. Head bounce on the ground when time it fell. Pull it up back up for every lie them tell. Informa Palmer, William Tell.
The boss say yo, when gunshot a ring like Chinese bell, Kartel a go vanish like magic. Don't try this spell. The belly must swell by time it smell. Head a bounce on the ground when time it fell. Bullet them a go get for every lie them tell. Informa Palmer, William Tell. The title of the song of William Tell. William Tell is a legendary folk hero in a Switzerland. Them say him did a one mountain climber and crossbow marksman. We still now make the lyrics fly over on the head. So William Tell was used as a wordplay upon Informa Palmer, William Tell, or you can say William Talk.
Pussy better trot light, eggshell. Now fuck with me money and I so excel. Somebody have to die when the hammer fly, mother cry, butterfly. In panimatic modify, a bag of fly matter yai. What am I king, killer not a spy? Who them a try to classify? Me bust it in the face, me no bust it in the sky. The pressure man a apply, so sing a lullaby. Them a fish, sakai, no guy can track I. You a real bad people, we have your black eye.
Yo, the song tough. Delivery was on point. The man did calm with it. Flow, mad as usual. Me give this a solid rating for a diss track. Viewers and subscriber, me want to rate this one. Was this a hit or a miss by Deva Bratt? And should Ryno answer him? Cause yo, a clash could have definitely boost their career right now. And remember to subscribe, zin.